Bose SoundLink Micro Review. Can a tiny speaker really shake up your adventures? Feeling like small speakers always leave you hanging? Drop your thoughts if you know the struggle. Weak bass, flat mids, and a body that cracks at the first bump, it kills the vibe instantly. The Bose SoundLink Micro flips that script, bringing deep, rich sound from a palm-sized frame tough enough to ride along on every adventure without missing a beat. Stress, long hours, and unreliable gear can drain the joy from music faster than static on your favorite track. Flimsy builds, distorted sound, or short-lived batteries add to the chaos instead of clearing it away. Imagine reclaiming control with a speaker built to handle rain, mud, and drops while still delivering sound, so clear it feels almost alive. Introducing the Bose SoundLink Micro Bluetooth speaker, a compact powerhouse designed for real-world adventures. It features a custom transducer and dual passive radiators that create surprisingly full sound with crisp highs, balanced mids, and bass that punches far above its size. With IP67 waterproof and dustproof protection, it can survive being submerged, splashed, or caked in sand without missing a note. Rugged silicone housing shields it from scratches, dents, and accidental drops. The tear-resistant silicone strap makes it easy to attach to a bike, backpack, or cooler, ensuring the music follows wherever you go. Integrated microphone support means you can take calls or activate voice assistants hands-free, while intuitive controls make skipping tracks or adjusting volume effortless. The rechargeable battery provides up to 6 hours of playtime, perfect for long hikes, workouts, or beach days. Bose Simple Sync technology adds flexibility, letting you pair with compatible Bose gear for room-to-room audio or party mode. Here's a tip. Use Bose Connect to unlock hidden features and keep your speaker updated with the latest performance enhancements. The SoundLink Micro has redefined what's possible for ultra-portable speakers, and reviews back it up. Audio experts describe its bass as shockingly deep for something so small, while tech analysts point to its rugged IP67 rating as proof it thrives in extreme conditions. Influencers love the tear-resistant strap, calling it a genius design that makes sound wearable. Outdoor enthusiasts share stories of dropping it in rivers or dragging it through dusty trails, only to find it still blasting music with flawless clarity. Parents note how durable it is for kids, while remote workers rely on its built-in mic for crisp outdoor calls. One fitness instructor said, "It's my secret weapon for outdoor boot camps. The sound cuts through wind and chatter without a problem." The 6-hour battery, though modest, charges quickly and easily supports day trips, while multi-device pairing simplifies switching between a phone and tablet. Bose Simple Sync creates immersive stereo setups when paired with another unit or syncs seamlessly with soundbars for home use. Which feature would matter most to you? Rugged waterproof confidence, crystal clear sound, or effortless portability? Comment below. See why thousands can't stop buzzing about a speaker that feels built for every moment, no matter how messy or wild. This is your moment to grab the Bose SoundLink Micro and turn every outing into a soundtrack worth remembering. Don't wait too long. Demand for a speaker this rugged, portable, and surprisingly powerful is sky-high. Thousands already rely on it for workouts, road trips, and everyday escapes. Click now to unlock rich sound, reliable toughness, and a special bonus when paired with other Bose gear. Don't just carry music, strap it, live it, and make every place your stage today.